Okay, Kryptonite. In this video, I have more things to explain to you about this Zonex. Zonex is a crypto exchange where you can convert your crypto to Naira immediately. You can convert it to Naira immediately. So if you look up here right now, you will see that there is something like sold USDT SDC. I just transfer it into this place just right now. You can check this time and you can check the time above here. You will see that I just make the transfer here 2 minutes ago. So I just decided to make this video. So one thing about Zonex is that immediately you send your crypto into this wallet, into your account, it will automatically show your value immediately above. So it's sold at 1,384, which is exactly the amount they are selling in Bybit, Binance, etc, BitGet, etc, like that. So you don't need to be doing P2P and be getting scared. Maybe someone will take your money away, or someone is going to do a fake transaction for you. You know, fake transaction will beep in your account, in your bank account, but just few minutes before you immediately release your money, it will go. The fake transaction will clear immediately. So but on Zonex, you don't need to be doing that anymore. On Zonex, you can just come here on market, click on it, click on any of the crypto you want to send something to, click on it, maybe Bitcoin Legacy, click on Bitcoin, copy the wallet address here, go to your wallet, any of your wallets, then send the transaction, send the Bitcoin into it. For Bitcoin, the exchange rate is 1,379, so you should know. But for if you want to sell it in USDC, I think the exchange rate is 1,380. You can see it here, 384. So just know the one that will be more benefit to you. Using this, you can also use this to do arbitrage. Yes, you can use it to do arbitrage if you see a market that is okay for you. So for example, let's say I want to transfer the whole 6,000 naira. I want to transfer it to my bank account. This is what I'm going to do. I want to still show you more things. This is what I'm going to do, and I want to show you how to use this bill. Here, I want to show you how to use it. For instance, let's say I want to buy airtime. Let's say I want to buy airtime right now. Let's say I want to buy airtime. Let me just use airtime. I need airtime right now. Let's say I want to buy airtime. I can just input my account, my phone number here, input the digit. So input the amount you want to buy. Let me say 100 naira. Click on continue, then click on swap to pay. Input your pin. As you can see, payment success. That is it. That is how your payment is being processed right now. So as you can see, recharge was successful. You can see it, recharge was successful. Now my main balance is now 194 naira. So you can see it here, the recharge was successful. So let's go and transfer this money into our wallet. Remember, on this bill here, you can buy airtime, data, pay for your electricity bill, for your bed, for your cable TV, etc, like that. Now let's go and make the transfer to our bank. I want to go and make it to my bank right now. Click on transfer above there. I have already input my bank details, linked my bank details on this app before. So In case you don't know how to do that, go and check my previous video. Check the comment section. So this is the account I want to send this to. Let me just send it to my Palm Pay. Yes, let me just send it to my Palm Pay, and let's see, I want to send everything. So they are going to take their own transaction fee. I think the transaction fee is I don't know, let me say 15 naira. Maybe it's up to 15 naira. You can do the calculation like that. You can see 6,824. That is what I have. So let me do it this way so that I will know their transaction fee. Let me just do it this way. Okay, I just want to try to know how much their transaction fee is. So it seems above TV something. Let me put it this way. So let's just do it this way. 6,800. Let's see how it's going to be. 6,800. Remember, I have 6,824 naira there. So definitely I'm going to receive everything. Withdrawal fee is 15 naira. So let's go back and just send everything. I just want to send everything out because I need the money. So let's just click on mass. So they're going to take their 15 naira from it. They have already input it there. So click on swap, input your pin. You can see payment success. As you can see, payment is success. It's successful. So you can see it's payment success. So let's see, you can see your withdrawal is being processed. So let's go back and check. Withdrawal successful. So you can see withdrawal successful. So let me go to my Palm Pay and see, maybe the money is there. So this is my Palm Pay. As you can see, this is actually my Palm Pay right now. You can see it right here. This is the money just right now. Tago now. You can see it right now. You can check the time. This is the time here. You can check this time. That is 11. That is 12:59. It's actually 12:59. This is 11 o'clock right now. You can see it. So that is how to use Zonex to bypass P2P, Binance P2P, Bybit P2P, good exchange rate. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this video, and don't forget to use my code. Please use my code. Thank you. Goodbye for now.